Hi, I'm Dr. Naresh Zadhav, consultant medical oncologist at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Guwahati. Today I shall talk about lung cancer. Now we know lung cancer is the most common cancer amongst men in the world. In fact, to put things in perspective, in the year 2020, more than 2.2 million cases of new lung cancers were diagnosed in the world, and approximately 1.8 million people succumbed to the disease. So, what are the common symptoms of lung cancer? The most common symptom in which lung cancer presents is cough. Now, cough is a fairly common symptom that we encounter in our routine clinical practice. Not all cough is caused by lung cancer, but the cough of lung cancer has certain distinguishing features. The cough tends to be present for a prolonged period of time. It fails to respond to routine medications and is generally associated with other symptoms like weight loss or bleeding in the sputum. So if you come across an elderly gentleman who is a smoker and has a prolonged cough which is not responding and associated with or without blood in sputum, you have to take his cough seriously. Lung cancer can also present as pain in the chest. Now, pain is a relatively late symptom of lung cancer. This usually happens when the tumor involves the surrounding pain-sensitive structures like the pleura or the ribs. Lung cancer patients may also present with breathing difficulty. This happens when the lung tumor grows large enough to cause collapse of the underlying lung, or it may involve one of the larger airways causing breathing difficulty. Lung cancer may also present with pleural effusion, which in simple words means collection of fluid around the lung. So this collection of fluid around the lung may manifest as either breathing difficulty or chest pain. So somebody who is having recurrent collection of fluid around the lung, these patients need to be evaluated for the possibility of an underlying lung malignancy. As to the cause of lung cancer, we are all aware that the most important contributing factor for lung cancer is cigarette smoking. Cigarette smoke, in fact, is a complex mixture of more than 100 chemicals, of which majority have been proven as carcinogenic. The chemical carcinogens present in cigarette smoke bind to the DNA of the cells of the lung and cause DNA damage. This damage accumulates over the lifetime of a smoker, which ultimately leads to development of lung cancer. Unfortunately, majority of the lung cancer patients that present to us with the above mentioned symptoms are found to have an advanced or a metastatic disease, a stage in which, despite the best efforts, the cure rates are relatively disappointing. So is there any way by which we can diagnose lung cancer at an early stage? Yes. There are studies that show that in certain high-risk patients or high-risk individuals, I would say, the individuals who are above the age of 55 years, who have more than 30 pack years of smoking history, if these individuals undergo low dose helical CT every year, the possibility of these individuals dying because of lung cancer is reduced by about 20%. This is a significant reduction in mortality considering the high fatality rates of advanced lung cancer patients. Despite the advancements in medical sciences and medical technologies, the simplest, most effective, and the best way to prevent lung cancer still remains avoidance of smoking and cessation of smoking. Thank you.